I would like to start by thanking the League of Women Voters for allowing me to speak before you today. My name is Candice Adams, and I am running for Clerk of the Circuit Court in DuPage County. Currently, I am a department head for a growing firm in downtown Chicago. I oversee a team of attorneys and other staff members running one of the 3 revenue-generating departments for the firm. Personally, my husband and I live in Lisle with our 3 young children. I grew up the 5th of 6 children in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. Cleveland Heights is a community where diversity of ideas, people, and culture are respected. I was provided with an education that taught us that the more resources a person has access to, the better chances they have at being successful. I attended Miami University, graduating with a degree in political science and a minor in criminology. During my time at Miami, I was also a rape crisis advocate for Butler County, Ohio. I reported to ERs after a victim of sexual assault arrived, often in the middle of the night. I helped survivors navigate next steps during some of the worst hours of their life. It's been the most meaningful work of mine. Post-college, I worked for a company in Memphis, Tennessee. There I managed teams of over 100 people and departments that generated revenue into the multi-millions. My job duties included HR responsibilities ranging from hiring and promotions to employee evaluations and, when necessary, employee terminations. It was working in Memphis that solidified my determination to pursue my law degree. I attended John Marshall Law School here in Chicago and have been practicing ever since. If elected to this position, I plan on modernizing the technology used both in the courtrooms and online, but most importantly, I plan to improve accessibility to the resources the department holds to members of our community. I want to implement programs and community outreach efforts that will focus on bettering the lives of our community members. Now more than ever, we need a clerk's office that is prepared to meet the challenges of the future of DuPage County, and I know I am the candidate best suited for this office. My first question is, what is the most important role this office plays in the county? The duties of the Clerk of the Circuit Court are established by statute, the Illinois Supreme Court, and administrative orders of the local circuit court. The primary role of the Clerk of the Circuit Court is to keep and preserve all records and files of the court. This is the office that receives all court filings, assists with providing juries for courtrooms, and collecting fines, among other duties. This is also the department that provides the clerks that aid our judges in the courtrooms. An often unknown fact about the office is that it's one of the largest revenue generators for the county, generally collecting between 15 to 17 million annually. The money comes from, in part, filing fees, court fees, and traffic tickets. The revenue generation makes this department one of the most crucial to our county. My second question is, what talents do you bring to this office, and what are your goals? I believe that my legal and management experience makes me the candidate best suited for this position. My extensive history of managing large teams and departments that generate millions of dollars, coupled with my legal knowledge of how a courtroom runs on a day-to-day basis, makes me uniquely qualified for this position. Once elected, my goals for this office include developing and implementing community outreach programs that will better the lives of our community members. Programs like expungement summits and amnesty days that will help our community members clear a pathway to better jobs, housing, military entrance, and military rank. These are programs that are happening in communities around us with the assistance of the clerk's office, and I plan to bring them here to DuPage as well. Another goal is to prepare the department for the future of DuPage, whatever may come. When COVID hit, our courthouses had to close its doors without any real plan in place to ensure the continuation of the cases to be heard. I would like to develop plans and systems that ensure cases will be heard regardless of future disruptions. My third question is, how could this office become more modernized? In my current role as a department head at my law firm, I access the information on Clerks of the Circuit Court's websites throughout the United States. This has allowed me the opportunity to understand how to model the clerk's website here in DuPage. I plan to modernize our website to make it more accessible to the public and to the attorneys looking for court case information. I plan to make it easier for those who visit the website to find how to pay fines, get more information on orders of protection and expungements, and how to find the most up-to-date information on pending cases, just to name a few items. I also plan to modernize the technology used in our courtrooms and to provide better training for users of that technology. Currently, only some of our courtrooms have gone to a paperless system. I plan to speed up the process in converting our courtrooms from paper to paperless. In addition, for those courtrooms now using electronic orders, there's often only one clerk in the courtroom. I plan on ensuring that for the foreseeable future, additional staff in courtrooms be provided to help those using the computers do so successfully in order to prevent a backlog. In closing, I would like to again thank the League of Women Voters for putting together this forum. COVID has taught us all that we have to be more adaptable, and the League of Women Voters has certainly met that challenge. 2020 has shown us that many of our systems need improvement. As a community, we are in the process of transition where there's a deeper understanding that our government, especially on a local level, needs to work for and with our community members. We need leadership that can match the challenges that are currently being presented and the unknown challenges that may arise. I know that if elected, I will bring a new perspective and experience to this office that will be able to match the demands of the current political climate and will make the changes the office needs. For more information about my campaign, please visit my website at CandiceAdams2020.com. Thank you.